วัสดีค่ะ I'm Gayray Cooking Ambassador from Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today I'm not alone anymore. I'm with Moon. Moon is a big chef of our school. She is the best cooker in our class today. And today Moon will cook our breakfast. Cook breakfast for us. And you know, Thai people mostly we eat boiled rice. We don't eat bread, we don't eat toast for breakfast, but we eat boiled rice. But today we're gonna cook boiled rice with sea bass. Boiled rice with sea bass. Okay, so a lot ingredients. So we have to make stock. We make the stock first, and then we have to prepare the rice. This one is the rice is already cooked and something for topping. And first time what you have to do?
Stock first.
Okay, so we have to prepare the stock first. What kind of stock? Stock water.
Pork.
Okay, we use pork. And this one is pork with bone. Okay. Moon first. Today, my kitchen is your kitchen. Okay, come closer. You can see. So, what this one? Oh, so there's garlic. Okay, garlic. Smash the garlic and put in the water. And this one, what? This one is coriander root. Okay, coriander root. Why we have to use the coriander root?
ดับข้าว
Okay, it's cover all the fishy. Okay, and then pepper. Okay, today I'm an assistant. Crushed everything.
Salt.
And salt. Okay. This one is ingredients for the stock. And this one I put. Okay. Yep. Okay. And how long we have to boil it?
About 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes. Okay. And then we have to boil the rice. So this one is panda leaf. You know, in Thai kitchen we have to have chilies, we have fish sauce, and important thing we have to have panda leaf. Okay. So why we have to put the panda leaf? For aroma from the panda leaf. Okay, we cut. Okay.
Come on and cook with me at Asian Scenic. Come on and cook with me at Asian Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have
And this one is sea bass. You see, this one is sea bass. But actually, you can use any fish. But if we use river fish, it's too fishy, too strong smell of a sea fish, and mostly Thai people use sea bass. Okay, what next? So we have now we have a stock already, and we have boiling the rice. And the next one, what you have to do?
ลูกปลา
Now we have to soft boil the sea bass. Okay, we see how to. After the water boiling like this, and add salt. Little bit salt to cover the fishy one. And
cover until cook.
We have to cover until the fish cook. How to check? How to see the fish is cooked or not? Until the meat or the fish is look white color, but now it's not white. You see, it is not white. Or actually, when we boil the fish, we should not stir anything unless it's too fishy.
ให้น้ำเดือดสักครั้ง
Okay, leave it until the water is getting bubbled again. And now we wait. Okay, we wait.
Come on and cool with me at Asian Scenic. Come on and cool with me at Asian Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook right in real time at Asian Scenic. At Asian Scenic.
Good morning, good morning. For breakfast this morning, so good and so special. Feel healthy and very tasty. You can try at home. It's not too complicated. You just have your stock. You can use any stock chicken, stock fish or pork like this, and then boil the rice and prepare your fish. Actually, if you don't use fish, you can use pork or anything you like trim like this and for topping like this. Okay, you can try and cook to show me. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you can see some information in asiascenic.com. And if you travel to Thailand, don't forget to come to our cooking school, Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School. See you next clip. Bye bye. This is my breakfast. Thank you.